Are you ready for your daily sales tip? Hey, it's Tom Jackobs here, and I love dropping these little nuggets to help you improve your sales. Now, here's something a little bit different from actually being in the sales conversation itself. But before that sales presentation happens, you have to have really good prospects that are eager to talk to you and find your solution. One of the best ways of doing that is creating a community, and that might be on social media or it might be on another platform, but creating a community of people that are interested. They've risen their hand and said, yeah, I'm kind of interested, but not ready to buy yet. But you put them all in this community and you are giving them benefits of what you are able to solve for them. And then that community comes together and are able to support each other. And ultimately, many of them will actually buy from you. And when you have current customers in that community as well, now they are further selling for you as well, which is amazing when you see a current client that is pitching your services to prospects. And that is your daily sales tip for today. Make sure you follow me, and I will see you tomorrow.